mark yourself a strap, you know, a line, and with my scalpel, trusty scalpel, a bit of confidence, literally and I've got my strap. I'm going to be using these. Now these are strap cutters. There are lots of them, different sizes. Obviously the way that you use these strap cutters is quite simply locate that where you're going to be wanting to use it, and this strap is slightly wider. Locate it where you want using a poly hammer. Now this is again craft tool poly hammer, absolutely something that you're going to need as a staple in the workshop, and there you go.